Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. First one, homogeneous. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Second one, heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. For example, we take two test tubes with water. Add 1 or 2 spoons of sugar in first test tube and add 1 or 2 spoons of sand in the second test tube. Stir with spoon or something. After some time, we observe these both test tubes or filter the both solutions. Filter the both solutions. In first test tube, the sugar particles and water does not divide. In second test tube, sand particles and water molecules are divided. So, in first test tube, that solution is called sugar solution. The sugar particles distribute or dissolved in the water. The sand particles does not dissolve in the second test tube in water. So the sugar solution is called, it is a mixture. So in first test tube, the sugar solution, it is a mixture of sugar and water. Okay, this solution is called homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. The sand in water does not dissolve. Sand does not dissolve in water, so it is separated. So it filtered the second test tube water. Second test tube contains sand particles and water both are separated. So this type of solution is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, lemonade. Lemonade means the sugar or some salt, water and lemon juice. Mixture of some sugar or salt and water and lemon juice. After mixing these three components, we does not separate these three components: sugar, water, so lemon juice. That is lemonade. That is a homogeneous mixture. Suppose we add vinegar in oil. Any oil. We add vinegar in oil. What is meant by vinegar? The dilute acetic acid, it is called vinegar. Formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. The dilute CH3COOH is called vinegar. Dilute CH3COOH is called vinegar. Okay, we add the dilute CH3COOH vinegar in oil, and we add naphthalene, means kalravanda, naphthalene or mothball in kerosene. The oil and vinegar both are oil. The vinegar is mixed in the oil. Sorry, does not dissolve in oil. The naphthalene does not dissolve in kerosene. Both mixtures are heterogeneous mixture. homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Take your textbook, page number 39. Page number 39. Page number 39. Finding out homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Take 2 test tubes and add 1 teaspoon of salt or sugar, both the test tubes. Salt and teaspoon of salt and sugar, both the test tube. The test tube in water and other with kerosene, stir them. So this take 1 spoon of salt in one test tube, take 1 spoon of salt in another test tube. First test tube contain water and another test tube contain kerosene. In first test tube, the salt is completely dissolved. This solution is called homogeneous mixture. In second test tube, the salt does not dissolve in kerosene. This solution is called heterogeneous mixture. Does not dissolve, heterogeneous mixture. Dissolve, homogeneous mixture. In the first test tube, you can observe that the salt dissolved completely. So it is called homogeneous mixture. Such type of mixtures is called homogeneous mixture. Page number 39. So in other test tube, salt does not dissolve. Does not dissolve. So this type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, the compound of mixture uniformly distributed throughout the water. Uniformly distributed throughout the water, salt. But the same salt does not distributed uniformly in the kerosene. Does not dissolve in the kerosene. Okay. So the components of a homogeneous mixture are two initially mixed, completely mixed up. It will difficult to distinguish between from one another. From one another means salt and water does not separated. Okay, in a heterogeneous mixture, salt is separated from kerosene, or salt is separated from, sand is separated from water. Sand does not dissolve in water. Salt does not dissolve in kerosene. Water is a ionic solution, ionic substance. Salt also ionic substance. Ionic substance dissolved in ionic solutions. Ionic solution. Kerosene is a covalent substance. Kerosene is a covalent substance. So sand is a ionic substance. Does not dissolve in covalent substance. So naphthalene, Kalravanda, that is dissolved in kerosene. Naphthalene is a covalent substance, covalent compound. Kerosene also covalent compounds. Covalent substance dissolved in covalent solutions. That is a homogeneous mixture. Here, for example, air is a homogeneous mixture of many gases. Air is a mixture of several gases. Carbon dioxide, oxygen, sulfur dioxide, sulfur monoxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, etc. So many. Air is a mixture of so many gases. So we prepare a drink lemon water. Lemon water is a mixture of some salt or some sugar, water and lemon juice. It is a mixture of these 3 components. Lemon water. Example, lemon soda. It is a mixture of water, sugar, lemon juice and salt also. It is a homogeneous mixture. It is a homogeneous mixture. Okay, it tastes the same throughout. The lemon water is the same taste throughout entire lemon water. Entire lemon water. The particles of sugar, lemon juice and salt are evenly distributed in the water uniformly. So dissolved in water uniformly. That mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. For example, some more examples of heterogeneous. Here heterogeneous. Kerosene. We add salt in kerosene. Does not dissolve. Salt does not dissolve in kerosene. It is a heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture made up of different substances. One substance is ionic compound, another substance is covalent solution. Ionic compound does not dissolve in covalent substance. This mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, mixture of oil and vinegar. Oil and vinegar. Vinegar means dilute acetic acid does not dissolve. Vinegar does not dissolve in oil. And naphthalene and water. Naphthalene is mixed with water. Naphthalene does not dissolve in water. So these both solutions, both mixtures are heterogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures. Okay. We conclude the mixtures of two types. First one homogeneous mixture. Second one heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. Next one solutions. 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 Solutions means solution. Solvent, solute plus solvent equal to solution. Solute dissolved in solvent to form solution. It is a homogeneous mixture. For example, 1 spoon of salt mixed with water. That water in test tube. The test tube contains water, so we add some 1 spoon of salt in the test tube in water. The entire salt dissolved in water. This type of solution is called homogeneous solution. Here salt is a solute. Salt is a solute. Small amount in the solution is called solute. The large amount of substance in solution is called solvent. Water is a large amount. 1 spoon of salt is a small amount. Small amount of substance present in solution is called solute. Large amount of liquid or substance is called solvent. Solute dissolved in solvent to form solution. Okay. Here page number 40 solutions. The homogeneous mixtures are 2 or more substances from which you cannot separate its component by the process of filtration. We cannot separate the contaminants in the homogeneous mixture by the process of filtration. This type of solution is called homogeneous solution. It is called solution. Homogeneous mixture, it is called solution. Solution contains 2 components, solute and solvent. Solute dissolved in solvent to form solution. Okay, solution can be in the form of solids, liquids or gases. Solutions in the form of solids or in the form of liquids, in the form of gases. Okay, next one. A solution has a minimum of 2 components. First component is minimum of 2 components. First component is solute, another component is solvent. A solute and a solvent. The component of solution that dissolve other component. The component of one substance, solute substance, dissolved another substance to form solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. The component of solution that dissolve in the component usually component is a lesser quantity. Solute is a less quantity in solution. Solvent is a larger quantity in solution. So the component is the lesser in solution is called solute. The component larger in the solution is called solvent. Salt is mixed with water. Here salt is a solute. Water is a solvent. A solution of sugar is prepared by dissolving the sugar in water. Sugar solution. We prepared sugar solution. So we add sugar in the water. Here sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. In this solution, sugar solute and water solvent. Okay. So all aerated drinks is a mixture of carbon dioxide and water. For example, all aerated water, soda, Thumbs Up, Kinley soda, etc. These are all called aerated drinks. Aerated drinks contain carbon dioxide mixed with water to form H2CO3. H2CO3 means carbonic acid. Carbon dioxide gas. This is a solute. What is a solvent? Soda. Goli soda. This is a H2CO3 is a carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. So all aerated drinks, contain mainly two components: carbon dioxide gas and water. Here carbon dioxide gas is a solute and water is a solvent. Okay students, we will meet in the next class.